Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Update error 0x80070103. Let's fix this guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshooters. TROUBLE troubleshooter setting. In here you have to go out other troubleshooters. In here Windows Update, run on it. Detecting problems. If you're having any issues, Windows Update issues, here be shown over here. Close the troubleshooters. You can easily find the problems and easily solve it. I don't have any problems. Go to search menu and the next step is going to search menu and type cmd. Run as administrator. Click yes. In here you need to type sfc space slash SCANNOW. Press enter. This process will take some time guys. Need to get 100%. Let's wait it. Yes, after finishing this, go on and restart your PC. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial worked for you. Thanks for watching my video guys.